Hartbeespoort Dam is one of South Africa's most recognizable inland landmarks, sitting quietly between the ancient Magaliesberg mountains in the northwest province. From above, the scale of this place becomes clear. A vast body of water stretching across the valley, surrounded by the rugged mountains. The Magaliesberg Range is one of the oldest mountain formations on Earth, older than the Himalayas and even older than Mount Everest. The dam itself has a story that goes back more than a century. Construction was completed in 1923, originally built to supply irrigation water to the surrounding farming communities. The Crocodile River flows into the dam, helping feed the agricultural land that shaped much of the region's early economy. The name comes from the Afrikaans word hartbees, referring to a type of antelope that once roamed the area. Historically, wildlife used the natural gap in the mountains as a route through the valley, long before roads and towns were established here. Today, the dam has become one of the most popular escape destinations for people living in the nearby cities like Johannesburg and Pretoria. Just about an hour's drive away, it offers a completely different atmosphere, calm water, mountain views, and endless outdoor experiences. From boat cruises and water sports, to the famous cableway that lifts visitors high above the valley, the area has grown into a vibrant tourism hub. Markets, restaurants, wildlife sanctuaries, and scenic viewpoints all contribute to its charm. But perhaps the most impressive perspective is from the sky. Drone footage reveals the dam wall, the way the water fills the valley, and the dramatic contrast between the deep blue water and the rugged mountain landscape that surrounds it. It is a place where history, nature, and modern tourism all come together in one unique setting. Whether you come here for adventure, relaxation, or simply to take in the views, this dam continues to be one of South Africa's most loved destinations. And when you see it from above like this, it is easy to understand why.